Hey y'all, welcome back to Plant and Plate with Mr. Chris. Today we're going to be making a classic buffalo chicken dip. It's cheesy, it's spicy, it's gooey. It's the perfect complement for any game day, movie night, party, or family game night. So let's get to making it. Alright, first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Get you a 9x13 casserole dish or something similar and just give it a little spray with some cooking spray, or you can brush some olive oil or whatever you want on it. That's just going to help keep the cheese and everything from sticking. I'll put all the ingredients in the description for this recipe. Now we've got our casserole dish greased, we need to do our chicken. Now you can bake your chicken, you can pan fry your chicken, you can boil your chicken. However you want to make it. You can go to the grocery store and get some rotisserie chicken and shred it up. I boiled my chicken. You just need 2 cups of chicken. When I shred chicken with my hands with forks, it makes my hands hurt. So I got me one of these little things from Amazon. If you suffer from the same affliction I do, you need to pick you one up. Boiled my chicken, got it up to temperature for 165. I'm going to put my little pieces on here. And I'm going to start working it down and shredding up this chicken. Alright, after spinning that thing around a little bit, I take a paper plate, just put it over it, flip that bad boy over. There's all my shredded up chicken. So that's what it looks like when it comes out of the shredder. Take the paper plate, just dump it all into a bowl. After you get it in the bowl, I'm going to just season it with a little salt, a little fresh ground black pepper. Give that a toss and do it again on the rest of it. We'll make sure we get some on all of it. Alright, we're going to set that to the side and let the salt and the pepper start kind of working into the chicken some while we start working on the dip. An interesting story about this chicken dip. We go camping at the SEC baseball tournament every year. Take in the tournament, and while we're there, a lot of my oldest son's friends come over. Well, one of his best friends loves this dip. He comes over and makes a big old bowl of it. But on top of that, he'll put it on his hamburgers. He puts it on grilled chicken. Anything he's going to eat is probably going to have a little layer of this chicken dip on it. Because in his opinion, it makes everything better. Alright, it's time to assemble the dip. So the first thing we're going to put in here, I have 2 blocks, 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. Put them in the microwave, just soften them up so I can kind of combine it with the other parts of the ingredient. We're going to throw that in there. I got 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese and 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. We're going to put that in there. This is 3/4 cup of Frank's RedHot original hot sauce. Not buffalo wing sauce, just the original hot sauce. Now, if you want to make this thing hotter, hey, you can go get you something hotter. You can put whatever you want in it, but this gives a little kick. Try it this way first before you start really toning up the heat. This is a cup of just ranch dressing. We're going to add that to our mixture. Alright, got the ranch dressing put in. Now it's time to add our chicken. And we're going to start working all this together, mixing all that up. I'm going to work on getting this incorporated. I'll be back as soon as I get that together. Alright, so we've got all that incorporated, mixed up evenly. Now it's time to build the dish. Get your casserole dish back. We're going to dump all this into that. Kind of spread it around a little bit. Once we get that spread around, I've got just a little extra mozzarella and cheddar cheese. I just grabbed a little handful of it. We're going to put that on top just so that it melts on top and gives it a pretty presentation when it's done. After we get this done, we're going to put it in the oven. Again, bake it at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. We just want that cream cheese to break down a little bit, kind of work together and get warm and bubbly. So let's take it to the oven. Was in the oven for about 22 minutes. Took it out of the oven, and this is what you're looking at. After it comes out of the oven, I've got some chopped up green onions. This is just 2 green onions. We're going to put this on it as a garnish. You can go as heavy or as light on that as you want. And there it is. I'm going to scoop this out, let you see it, and we'll take a sample and see how it tastes. Alright, let's scoot some of this out onto our plate. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. The mozzarella makes it creamy. Got a little bite from that sharp cheddar cheese. This will be a favorite at your tailgate or your next party that you have. Hey y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you decide to give this recipe a try, send me a comment, let me know how it turned out for you. If you did enjoy it, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more things from Plant and Plate, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. God bless.